Phew. That was fast. A little over 11 days after Elon Musk proposed paying $54 a share for Twitter, the company's board approved the transaction on Monday, a surprise reversal. Twitter initially seemed opposed to the idea. It adopted a poison pill, a defense against an unsolicited bid like Musk's, but warmed up to it last weekend after Musk detailed how he could pay for it. Answer: a lot of debt, about $25 billion, some equity, roughly $21 billion, all of it wrapped in Musk's Tesla shares. He has lots of those, around $230 billion worth of them. It adds up to a $44 billion price tag on Twitter, a 38% premium over where the stock traded when Musk first disclosed his shareholding. So that's it, Elon won? Can we expect to see a spaceship in employee parking starting any day? Truthfully, we're a few orbits around the sun from that, but Musk is definitely on course to getting what he says he wants. The agreement between Twitter's board and Musk doesn't seem to include a go shop period. Some buyout deals have these provisions, a time in which the board welcomes any competing bids. It's like when the auctioneer with the honeyed voice starts with, going once, go shops vary in length, their terms dictated by what buyer and seller agree to. Generally, about a month to 6 weeks, adding a go shop is seen as favorable for investors, the board doing its best to get them the highest price. But go shops aren't required by law in Delaware, where Twitter is incorporated, so it's not totally strange for Twitter not to do one. Skipping it will add to the feeling on Wall Street that even with JP Morgan's and Goldman Sachs' help, Twitter found little interest when it shopped itself around over the last few weeks, trying to avoid Musk. Musk will next make a $54.20 tender offer to raise his shareholding in Twitter to at least 50% or higher. A tender offer is where he asks shareholders to sell him their shares. He owns 9.2%, some 73.5 million shares. To get over 50%, he needs another 319.5 million shares, which will cost $17.2 billion. Easy peasy. He has $46 billion in financing lined up. As the board deliberated last weekend, Musk reportedly spent the weekend on the phone with big shareholders, wooing them.